cause-effect relationship, establishment of a cause-effect relationship. Meron ba sa situation nito? Like for example, you want to have the independent variable to be analyzed or to have effect on the dependent variable.
I'm salty.
Rubber explain the relationship between this factor and an alpha. Ano yung mga risk factors natin? Social, economic factors, physical factors. So those are risk factors. So after, how can increase the degree of that disaster? So mag-isipin mo, if you are poor, in famine, tapos yung bahay mo malapit sa lawa, sa ilog, sa rivers. Have you seen those videos circulating about what happened recently? Yes! Nakita niyo yun? Even brain damage. Have you seen what happened to the face of Brenda? Yes. Tumaga yung tubig, talagang nagasak. Have you seen? Yes. Because of typhoon.
So much my husband.
So that is how outcomes can be measured, evaluated based on this factor. As the risk factor for multiplicatively increases, that as well will bring also to the minds of those people being exposed. So after identify the confounding factors. Anong meaning sa research ng confounding variable at confounding factor? Some other factors that can still instigate such occurrences at a higher impact. What's the next Next up, evaluate how well the study measures and interprets these elements. Actually, ito, kung pwede yung gawin people, you're going to have a case analysis later. Like what I told you, gumagawa na ako ng mga activities to draw to you. Pero yung ay gagawin nyo, kaya pala, mind you, because this is the first week pala of the semester. No. Naka-apat na tapos na tayo. So, yung speed na yun, malala sa malala, mag-case analysis to tayo. Yung mga pa-OA na activity,